marketing software. My name is Wakanzi. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how the system works. When you log into your system, it's going to be a dashboard like this, United States Marketing.org. So this is the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can actually set it up like a CRM to see whatever you want. Let's say this dashboard name, want to call it uh, work update, whatever, work update. So you can ask to see all the sequence status, all the replies, all the opens, all the clicks, so that you know what you're dealing with. All the people who are unscribed, all the mails who bounced, the sent emails, the outbox, boom. You've added this cart right now, okay? And you can choose to turn it off if you want, if you don't want. So this is about how when you whatever you do, you can save it. You could check your sequences, you could check your reply, you could set up your replies, your sequences, and more. So this is the dashboard and how you set it up. Now, how do you send a campaign? We have our sequences, we have the list, we have the reports, email senders, outbox. That's where the emails you've sent, and we have tasks, templates, and settings. So let's start with the sequences. So I'm going to just close this, archive the sequences. So we start from scratch. So we create a new sequence. For this ones right here, you have to connect your ChatGPT key for them to be active, or you can select from the templates we've already made for you. You can create from scratch. I call this reach out. Okay, create template, create a sequence. So the first thing you have to do is to add your lead source, your list. Okay, before we do that, let's go back to our list. Let me show you how to add your contacts. Lead source is your contacts. List means your contacts, your emails, your clients. So go to lists right here, and we say add list. Okay, on this list, let's say okay, new list right here. So go whatever, create, and it's very easy to upload contacts to your list. The problem people have why they use their computers to do email marketing is because they need to upload CSV, they need to work on CSV data. But here you can actually upload through CSV. This is our download sample. You can download the sample, or you can upload directly via Google Sheet. Very easy. You make a Google Sheet file, first name, email, like this. You put your emails, you put your names, or you can upload it, you can import it, and all you have to do is click share. And when you click share, make sure you put anyone with this link. Remove it. Don't put it like this. Don't make it restricted. Put it anyone with this link, and you copy the link, and that's about it. You put it here, and your contacts will be uploaded. So you send one contact. Next, you map it, first name, email, or whatever fields you have. You choose whatever you want right here. You could turn this off if you want. You can put it on. You can verify the emails. Next, and that's it. That's it. Your leads are uploaded. So we go back to the outreach campaign right now. You see your leads are uploaded, found. So we go back to the sequence. So you say edit. Now we can select our lead source for the contacts, fans right here. Insert. You can select more lead sources though. And for those who paid for leads and the system, you will get leads here. You get leads here. We'll upload leads for you in the back end. So when you search it, you're gonna find leads here, lots of leads. So you're gonna get the sender and leads automatically uploaded and verified. So like for this example, we're gonna send to only the fans. And the next thing you want to do is you add a new block, which is the action cold email. You could create a new template. So here's the template name. This is the description for your AI to draft the email for you. But like I said, you have to connect your ChatGPT key, and I'll show you how to do it later. All you have to do is, I want people to play Wakanzi new music on Spotify. So boom, if I had connected my ChatGPT, I'll just click draft and it will draft. So that's all you have to do from your own back end. You connect the ChatGPT key and see it has drafted the email. Okay, and boom, it made the subject and the what they call it, the body of the email. So there's another very good thing about my system because you can actually spin tax it. What is a spin tax? A spin tax is when your email keeps sending different types of email with the same meaning so as to ensure that the system doesn't block you for thinking you're sending spam. So let's try it. I click AI spin tax, AI, and it's going to spin taxes. So when I send the first mail, it will, the second mail will be a different mail. The third mail will be a different mail. And the fourth mail will be a different mail. And it's so easy. You could do it yourself. You could do it like this. You put this open comma here. And you put this here. It also works in the subjects too. You could say, hello brother. Have you seen my work on this new song? And you put this. You say hello. Then you can add more. You can add unlimited numbers. So you'll be taking it randomly. You could just copy this one if you want. So this is called spin tax. Then you close it. You make sure you close it by copying this one here. Boom. So a spin tax is this format like this. Open, options, and close. Right? Okay. Boom. So this is it. We did the AI spin tax, and you can add personalized images if you want. If you want to create a new one or you want to select one of our images, you can. But for this email, I don't want to. So now, another good thing about my system is that it gives you the overall score. It gives you all the words. It tells you if you have urgency. It tells you if your email sounds shady. You know, this is what makes your this yardstick, this measurements, it's what makes your email go in box. So, but the overall score says good. Okay, so you can add attachments to the email, and let's test it right now. Create a test. You can preview it and test it. Uh, we're gonna then here you select your sender, your sender. So now we have to go connect our sender. Let me show you how to connect your sender. It's very easy. Uh, I'm gonna save this template. Boom. So we go back now. Go back right here. Everything is auto save, okay? So not a problem. So email senders right here, email senders. You can connect unlimited numbers of email senders. You click add sender. You can connect Google Suite. You know, you can connect with the app password. You can connect with the zero authentication. You can connect your Outlook just by signing into your Outlook. If you click here, it's going to take you to the sign in page. You see me? But we're not going to sign into Outlook right now. I'm just showing you an example of how it works. you can upload SMTPs and IMAP so that you have a sender and a receiver. You can connect your free Gmail, which gives you the sender and the receiver too. You can connect SMTP, you can connect Zoho Mail, you can bulk upload. You know, it's really dope to bulk upload. With that, we also give you a sample of the upload file. For this example, let's use Gmail, free Gmail. To get your free Gmail authentication code, like you see here, it's asking for app password, right? I'm gonna show you how to get it. So you go to your Gmail, you go right here, you go to manage your account. The first thing you do to get your app password is you go to security and you add two-step verification. You can add your email. You can add your email or use Authenticator or Google Authenticator. You can add a phone number and you go and turn on two-step verification. After adding your email or phone number or authentication app and you don't turn on two-step verification, you will not see your app password. And after you turn on two-step verification, you just click here, you search for app, you're gonna see app passwords, right? You click here and you just it will ask you to sign in again, and boom, you create a new one. I'm gonna call this one test because I'll delete it after this example. And it shows you the app password, and boom, you put the app password right here. This is the app password, and you put the email. The email, the email, and you can put your reply to address here. You know, but for this example, I'll still put the same email here and the name, what you want to call it. I call it account setup, whatever. This will be a sender. You know, we already filled this fields for you. So boom, next account. Another account is okay. Another account is using the sender. Okay, let's do this all over again with another example. Like I said, I was gonna delete that. Let's do it again with another example. I'm gonna go to another email. Okay, so I'll go to security. The most important thing I have to do is turn on my two-step verification. For me to turn on my two-step verification, the easiest way is to use the Authenticator app. Or if you have a phone number, it's good. But Google Authenticator is free of charge. So you set up your authenticator, you download it, download the app, you click on the app, use the camera to scan the QR code in the app, not using your camera directly, but I'm referring to the camera on the app. You scan your QR code, and it's gonna automatically give you your your authentication code. So don't make any mistake. Don't scan the QR code with your camera directly. You have to scan it with your hold on with your Google authentication app. So scan it. You say next, and boom, you put that code. It's actually six numbers usually. It's six numbers always actually. So you click next, and boom, then you turn on your two-step verification, and that's it. Turn on two-step verification. Okay, you can put a phone number. I've used this number so many times, it probably will not work, but let's see. Boom, and it works. Okay, So that's it. So now you can see app password. You just go here, you search app, and you see app password, right? Boom. So you click it. I'm gonna call this test, and I'll still delete it afterwards. So you can copy as much as you want. You copy the password. You go back here. You put that password here. You change the email address. Put it here too, and you click next. My system is 100%, gives you 100% privacy. Will give you clean IPs so that your stuff doesn't go to spam. We'll do a lot for you at the back end to ensure that you see success in your marketing campaign. My system gives you unlimited sending limits, unlimited contacts, unlimited everything. Say email sender connected. So now you can select how many emails you want in a day. Usually Google Gmail is a maximum of 500, so you can make it at 450. The free Gmail is like a maximum of 500, but you can make it at 450, 400, whatever you want. You can set up your domain, you can add your signature, you can do whatever you want. And you say finish. Boom. Now you can warm up this email. Email warm up is a system where we use your email to send mails to our other accounts, and those other accounts will open your mail, click it, and reply you. This is to ensure that your account is healthy, so that to tell the system that your account is not sending spam, which will actually increase your inbox rate. So to enable email warm up, you just click here and you say yes, I understand. Warm up, email warm up helps you improve deliverability, and boom, 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 boom. You say enable warm up, and your emails will be warmed up. Okay, boom. You can also set up your the number of warm ups you want per day. If you want it to be warming up like with 20 emails per day, or you want it to warm up with more emails, it's all on you. You set it, everything is unlimited. So the warm up has started. You can select here and say warm up settings, and you can say 5 emails a day, or auto ramp up automatically increases the frequency. This is the settings you want to see, and boom. You can also warm up your website link. You add your link here for it to warm up your website link, and good. After a while, after 48 hours, the health of your email will be calculated, and you're good to go. You have your warm up reports, you have your details, you have your settings, and everything. So now we go back to the sequence, and we say we edit it. Now we've connected our sender, we've uploaded our contacts. We want to test our sequence right now. So you add your lead source, boom, funds, insert. After this is the first step. The second step is what you want to do a tax, or you want to do a tax, or you want to send a cold email. I chose cold email. You can do A and B testing too. AI will redistribute it. You can select more and more and more. It keeps testing for you. You know, if you want to do A and B, you select this one, you select this one, you select this one. So it keeps going. Whatever is the best, that's the one that will win the test. You could do A to Z. Other people do A and B, but we do A to Z. So that's it. So for this, we'll turn it off and select this one. So insert, and we can after this we can wait for a few days, wait for maybe even 1 hour too, even 1 minute, you know, and you send a reminder or whatever. You can do this anyhow you want. You can say they open the email, if they open the email, wait for 3 days and the next step. If they click the email, if they click a link, wait for 1 minute and send them a discount code. Something like that. Just be smart about it, whatever you want to do. Or you could wait for a few days and send them another mail. Wait for another few days, send them another mail, and whoa. Just keep doing what you want. AI can also set up everything for you. So continue. Here you add the delay you want per mail. If you want it to go out after 10 to 20 minutes, you add it. If you want to turn off random delay, you turn it off. But it's advised. It's very even if you turn it off, we're gonna still give it 30 to 60 minutes delay, so it looks like human. So it gives you the human touch. Or you could add 3 to 5 minutes delay, 3 to 6 minutes delay. You select the days you want your campaign. If you want it all day, starting from 0 a.m. to 11:59. That's what I usually do. But if you want just to be sent when people are online, you, you could do that too. So just select your days of the campaign and click next. You select your sender. You can make it an evergreen. If you want it to BCC other people to blind copy you and all the emails, you can put it here, your email address here. You can make it an evergreen sequence. When enabled, sequence will keep running and you can add more leads to the list. Never stop. It'll keep running. All you have to do is just upload leads to the list, and it'll keep running nonstop. You can review your outgoing emails before you send it. You can stop the sequence for a lead when that lead replies, because sometimes you run in a sequence and the lead has replied, but you're still sending a sequence. But my system will automatically know that the lead has replied and will stop that sequence. You can enable provider matching, which is very, very important. This matches your leads email provider with your email provider to boost the deliverability. So my system will tell Google Gmail that the mail is coming from Gmail, just to make Gmail see it as a good mail and put it in the inbox. If your domain is Namecheap, my system will tell your Namecheap that this email is coming from Namecheap. You know, you can send the mails with plain text to increase the deliverability too. You can schedule for all leads, or you can schedule for the emails that are verified. You can track your opens. You can auto tag replies. You can track your replies too. You can auto tag the replies so that AI tells you automatically what it's all about. So boom, 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 and this is it, and you schedule. But before you schedule, ensure that you schedule for the future. The future. Right now, where I am is 11:25. If I want this to start almost immediately, I'll just maybe put it at 11:27. You know, just for this example, schedule the campaign, and that's it. And another thing you have to know, if your campaign stops running for any reason, just change the time to the future, and it will continue running. Because my system is so advanced. It's so advanced. So advanced. This is the best system in the world right now. And you can connect unlimited senders, you can send unlimited emails, you can do whatever you want with the system. So it's scheduling the campaign right now. Campaign has been successfully scheduled. It does a lot of a lot of things in the back end while scheduling the campaign, doing all the checks, all the balancing to ensure everything goes as planned. Okay, so this campaign has been scheduled. Also, before you send a campaign, you can also say email scheduled. When the email is sent, it will tell you that the email is sent. So let's check other things too. Here, the settings. What options do we have in our settings? We can add our custom domain. We can warm up our links. We can add our signatures, email signatures. Of course, you know what an email signature is. Email signature is that which you see under your email, like and Julia United. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You can add a photo too. You can add a picture. You can do whatever. It's called an email signature. That will be automatically added to your emails. We have checked email senders. We have checked. We know the templates. You can create a new template here. You can any kind of template you want for your future emails or your current emails. Right here is the template. Create a new one. You can create it with AI too, like I showed you. Connect your chat GPT key. These are your reports. These are your manual tags. These are your leads. Where you put your leads. This is the outbox emails that have been sent. This is your sequence. And this is your inbox. If you have any reply, it will go to your inbox. My system is a little bit slow because of my internet where I'm at, but everything works fast. So this is your meeting. You could connect your Google meeting or your Outlook meeting. The settings right here. First of all, you connect it before you're able to access the settings. You go to your account. You can see the option to connect or edit your profile. So this is the best email marketing software in the world right now. You can add your chat GPT key here, right here, your OpenAI. See, just put your key and everything will happen with artificial intelligence reasonably. You should have at least $5 in prepaid credit, and that's it. So if you have any question, just chat me up and let's see